Welcome to Luxembourg, a land brimming with hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil some of the most enchanting and magical spots this charming country has to offer. Begin your journey in Esch-sur-Sûre, a fairy tale village that seems plucked straight from the pages of a storybook. This picturesque village is nestled deep in the heart of the Ardennes, surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. Next, wander through the winding medieval lanes of Vianden, where history whispers from every cobblestone. Check out the links in the description to book guided tours to must-see places and experiences. Here, a majestic castle, a true architectural marvel, stands watch over the town, offering panoramic views and a glimpse into the past. Venture further into the enchanted Mullertal, a region affectionately known as Luxembourg's Little Switzerland. Discover its unique landscape, adorned with mossy rocks that create an otherworldly atmosphere. Lose yourself in its whispering forests, where sunlight filters through the dense canopy, creating magical plays of light and shadow. Then find tranquility by the serene waters of Upper Shore Lake, a haven of peace and quiet. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. Luxembourg may be small in size, but magic is everywhere, woven into the very fabric of its landscapes and culture. You just need to know where to look and be open to the wonders that await around every corner. Check out the links in the description to book guided tours for top attractions and things to see. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the magical spots of Luxembourg. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow and allows us to bring you more amazing content.